Hi, and welcome to the unboxing of Xiaomi automatic infrared induction water steeping device. So let's get to it. This device is available on AliExpress and similar sites, and it is usually sold for around $20. And I of course managed to get it when it was discounted on Banggood for around 16 bucks. The package is bigger than I expected for such a small device. So let's unpack it and see what's inside. This thing can be added to your faucet. It comes with several adapters, as you can see here. And it can be installed on almost any faucet that you can imagine. M22, M20, G1 or 2, M24, M22 or M20. And it's chargeable, so you don't need to put batteries inside. You just need to charge it. There is a USB port here. We'll see how long it lasts after some time. So I guess I won't be installing it right now. I'll have to see which adapter I have to use, probably M20 or M22. So let's see if there's something else here. Except all the adapters. Probably instruction manual. Yep. There's a small instruction manual and some rubbery things which you use when installing in three different sizes. Here you can see. And some small device for installation, I suppose. It says produced, so it's in English, hopefully. No, inside it's in Chinese. Maybe there's English. No, there's Chinese only. But it doesn't matter. We should be able to understand it through the pictures. So next thing, installation. Okay, so the first thing we should do is unscrew your existing thing from the faucet. And then you need to find which one goes onto your faucet. In my case, it was the one. Just put the corresponding rubber here and just screw it. All right, I won't be doing it too tight because when my wife sees this, she might want me to return the old one. Okay, let's hope for the best. So now this guy is just clicked onto here. And I think this is it. So you can see it can go like this or like this. And the tool we got is to remove it. The metal tool. So I will just make sure it is pressed okay. And now, there are two sensors. One is underneath and the other one is on the side. So we'll just let the water flow. And if we go underneath, it gives you a burst of water lasting a couple of seconds. You can normally set the level and So the hand must be really close for it to react. But if you want to turn it on, you should just do something like this and it's on. And the water is flowing. When you do it another time, just hold your hand like 1 centimeter. It stops it. So you need to hold your hand really close, like 1 or 2 centimeters. That's like 1 inch. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.